What factors affect the shelf life of a cake at room temperature?
Hey there, cake enthusiasts! Welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring the factors that can impact the shelf life of a cake when stored at room temperature. Whether you're a home baker or a professional pastry chef, understanding these factors is essential to ensure that your cakes stay fresh and delicious for as long as possible. So, let's dive right in.
Ingredient composition.
One crucial factor that affects the shelf life of a cake is its ingredient composition. The types and quantities of ingredients used can significantly influence how long a cake remains fresh. For instance, the inclusion of perishable ingredients like fresh fruits or dairy products can shorten the cake's shelf life due to their inherent perishability. On the other hand, cakes made with preservative additives may have an extended shelf life.
Moisture content.
The moisture content of a cake is another crucial aspect that determines its shelf life. Cakes with higher moisture content tend to have a shorter shelf life as moisture promotes the growth of bacteria and mold. Additionally, excess moisture can lead to a soggy texture, compromising the cake's quality. Conversely, cakes with lower moisture content, such as some types of sponge cakes or pound cakes, can have a longer shelf life.
Storage conditions.
Proper storage conditions play a vital role in maintaining the freshness of a cake. When stored at room temperature, it's important to consider factors such as temperature, humidity, and exposure to air. Cakes should be stored in a cool and dry environment to prevent the growth of mold and the onset of spoilage. Additionally, protecting the cake from excessive air exposure can help prevent it from drying out too quickly.
Filling and frosting.
The choice of filling and frosting for the cake can also impact its shelf life. Fillings or frostings that contain perishable ingredients like fresh cream or fruit compotes can reduce the cake's shelf life. These fillings are more prone to spoilage and may require refrigeration to maintain their freshness. Alternatively, using shelf-stable fillings and frostings, such as buttercream or ganache, can contribute to a longer shelf life at room temperature.
Preservatives.
The addition of preservatives to the cake recipe can significantly extend its shelf life. Preservatives inhibit the growth of bacteria, mold, and other microorganisms, thereby preventing spoilage. However, it's important to note that the use of preservatives is a subject of personal preference and may not align with everyone's dietary choices or taste preferences. And there you have it. Understanding the factors that affect the shelf life of a cake at room temperature is essential for ensuring its freshness and quality. From ingredient composition to moisture content, storage conditions, filling and frosting choices, and the potential use of preservatives, all these elements play a crucial role. By considering these factors and adjusting your baking techniques accordingly, you can enjoy your homemade or professionally made cakes for longer periods without compromising their taste and texture. Happy baking, and until next time, stay sweet.